How to fix OK Google not working in Samsung devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix if the OK Google is not working in Samsung. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have been trying to say OK Google or Hey Google, but it simply means that the Google Assistant is not responding. That is because most likely you have turned off Google Assistant. Now in order to enable Google Assistant, just open up any of the Google app. In my case, I will just open the Google browser. Once I open the Google browser, tap on the profile icon which is on the top right hand side of the screen, and here you want to simply go to the option that says settings. Once you go to settings, over here you will find the option that is Google Assistant. Just go ahead and tap on that one, and as you do so, over here you'll find another settings that says Hey Google and voice match right on top under popular settings. So just tap on that one. As you do so, you can currently see that Hey Google is actually turned off, which means that if you were trying to fix OK Google not working, it is most likely that this is turned off. So you just want to go ahead and make sure it is turned on. Now if you want to do so, then you can also go ahead and retrain the assistant to recognize your voice. Now whenever you say OK Google or Hey Google, Google Assistant is going to respond to you and then open up the assistant for you as well. And that's all it takes to fix OK Google not working on Samsung devices. And this tutorial not only applies to Samsung but also any other Android phones. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.